150 days of consistently opening that app to do something that I want to do. Now in their 30s, late 30s, whatever.
More initiatives that we've been talking about that we cannot reveal. But if you keep watching, we might reveal.
But if I'm watching like Instagram reels, I'm just thinking, oh, अच्छा हम कैसे कर सकते हैं ये वाली चीज?
Beer aficionado.
आगे बढ़ें.
Hello.
And welcome back.
Reporting all the way from Mahipalpur.
As you can see, there's traffic all around as per usual. The doggies in the back as per usual, looking at us like we freaks. So Arnav, how was life?
Great weekend coming to a close. Well, already closed. So very excited for the week ahead. It was very relaxing. Where we thought about work for only 6 or 8 hours a day. So it was super relaxed.
Wonderful.
What about you?
Fun tha. I think last week we ended up meeting like a lot of friends. So that's always great. It's a good way to disconnect for a few hours. Because you're not... I think अब वो default हो गया है कि अच्छा कुछ भी अगर कर रहे हो अकेले तो एक नजर और एक कान तो Slack notifications पे रहता ही है.
और एक idea, नया idea, Sploot related ही.
Yeah, so even if I'm watching like Instagram reels, I'm just thinking, oh, अच्छा हम कैसे कर सकते हैं ये वाली चीज? Or if I'm whatever, like talking to a friend and there's a Slack notification that comes in the middle, I feel like this is the first time in my life where at least one inbox, which is my work inbox, is always at 0. Which was very...
You mean your Slack inbox, not your Gmail inbox.
That's why I said Slack, because that's what we use for work. With the internal team, obviously. External teams ke saath, sometimes it is delayed. But at least Slack, that is now on point. I don't have more than, I think, 10-15 unread at any point in time also. वो भी मेरा मन होता है कि 000 खत्म करो इसको.
Actually, next episode हम इस पे करेंगे. Communication tools internally. ठीक है? That'll be a good one.
Let's do it. What do we want to talk about? पहले तो वो बता दे.
So, some things we're going to pick up how we look at community. Community in comparison to other industries where companies are built on with a community focus. Third, about how our thinking about community has evolved from 2019 when we incorporated the company to 2022 when we got funding, then 2023 when we pivoted again from a community point of view. How that thinking has evolved and how we look at community today. पहला question मेरे में आपके लिए होगा.
बताओ बोलें.
2019 when we started, what was community building to you at that point? Was it a term that was being used in the startup world and that people were quite excited about at that point? Was that why you called it community or did it mean something else?
2019, honestly, we had no concept of community when we started off, if you remember. There was no thought about, अच्छा हमें community बनानी है और community शब्द भी मतलब मैंने नहीं use किया था, even at Budweiser. So for me, it was more about how do you reach your audience. I was thinking more in marketing terms, right? That अच्छा आपकी ये target audience होती है, इनको आपको पहुंचना होता है. This is how you build distribution. Distribution शब्द आ गया था दिमाग में because वो YC वाला कोर्स किया था जिसमें वो how to build a startup, how to start a startup.
Yeah.
So distribution I had started understanding, but the word community had not entered my vocabulary till then. 2019 when we started, I think the one thing that we did know was that social media is something that can help us because we saw that there was a big gap, I think still is, in creators in the pet care space who specifically focus on education, who focus on how do I actually live my life as a dog parent. Apart from the fun stuff, reels, वो सब है, but educational content अभी थोड़ा limited है, I think, in India, and that's only bound to grow. So we had identified at that time that it's a gap, and social media I remember thinking of as a channel that we should definitely capture because pet care में, unlike something like say edtech or healthcare or even beer for that matter, you don't have defined pools of people that you can tap into. Right? For example, अगर आप edtech में हो तो one very natural way for you to think about building अपना distribution is कि मैं schools में tap in करूँ अगर आप उस sector में हो, या मैं colleges में tap in करूँ, या अगर आपका executive education है तो corporates, then they become a pool of people who are you are able to reach in like a big way.
Yeah.
Similarly healthcare में hospitals होगा, जो भी होगा, like big pools of people. Pet care में there is no registration that at least people don't follow right now. You have scattered pools of people. मतलब there is an approach you can take कि तुम सारे छोटू vets के पास जाओ, सबके साथ deep partnership करो, but that is a lot of effort for not as big
but at the RW level, at the colony residential complex level, I think that community was there, whether you called it community or didn't.
Correct. So उस time आ रही थी, if you remember, 2019 में नहीं थी. In fact, this was pre-COVID. So there wasn't like a sense of community even within societies, I would argue. There were some that had WhatsApp groups, all of that. But I think that big jump for people to see that अच्छा हमारी society भी community है. And I'm talking obviously about people who lived in nuclear families, people who are now in their 30s, late 30s, whatever, who live in tier 1 cities, who may not necessarily know their neighbors, right? So that feeling of community didn't exist, I think, in that sense that time. So
when was now coming back to the question, when was the first time that you used the word community at Sploot? So it wasn't 2019. You say, I think what you're trying to say is that Instagram or the social media following that kind of became a community because there were online sessions, there was interaction, there was a lot of exchange of ideas, notes that was happening, and that gave a community element to it. But we never defined it as a community. When did it go a level above when you defined it as, and in your pitch deck suddenly the word community started coming, although it started going out of favor from VCs at that point because a lot of community to commerce companies.
Community नहीं बोलते थे उस time, content to commerce बोलते थे. Community वाला एंगल भी नहीं था उस टाइम, if you remember. It was always content to commerce.
हमने कब बोलना शुरू किया ये बता दे.
हमने बोलना शुरू किया था कोविड में, क्योंकि हमने कोविड में 2020 में, because what we started doing at that time 2021 around that time, 21 actually, not even 20, because what we started realizing is that जैसे जैसे हमारी Instagram की following grow कर रही थी, people started asking questions and other people started responding to those questions in the comments, which for us was extremely novel, like especially for me because I've worked on social media for brands, all of that. But usually when you build social media for a brand, so to speak, मतलब like a front facing मेरा product है, मेरा product खरीदो, you don't see a lot of engagement between people who follow you in the comments. For example, Budweiser के लिए जब हम करते थे, तो you would get a lot of likes, people would maybe share it if it was cool and one of those Messi type footballer या जो भी है events के लिए या जो भी है, but there was not a lot to discuss, right? तुम क्या ही बात करोगे उसमें?
I guess that discussions would happen in a very limited set of beer aficionado.
But that also limited, right?
Wow, why would you say that word?
Aficionado.
So it would happen in those groups, but here obviously that.
It's not the audience, right? Like you're not solving it's not something that requires that level of education or whatever.
Unless it's your passion, yeah. Here it's a necessity because you're raising a pet.
Correct.
And many of them for the first time in your life.
So with pet care for the first time, actually I saw that social media can actually have a very different type of role for you to build a brand as well, and that's when we started realizing that अच्छा लोग हमें सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को पूछ रहे हैं. We initially started doing Instagram lives, if you remember. हमारा एक show होता था हर Thursday को, Better Pet Parenting we used to call it, and every Thursday we would invite somebody who's either a dog parent who's always had dogs or someone who's like a behaviorist, a canine behaviorist or a nutritionist, somebody who's in the field, and we would just have a conversation with them and take questions from people who would join the live. And that actually made us realize that okay, there is a lot more interaction we can build in to what we're doing. वहाँ से we started doing online training courses for puppy parents, nutrition plans, etc. etc. उसकी हम WhatsApp group बनाते थे. फिर हमें realize हुआ कि अच्छा WhatsApp group ही valuable है, even if आपको ऐसा कुछ पेड मटेरियल नहीं मिल रहा वहाँ पे कि अच्छा मेरे डॉग को ट्रेन करो एंड मेरे को एक्सपर्ट से बात करनी है. वी रियलाइज दैट दोस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स ओनली वर वेरी वेरी वैल्यूएबल बिकॉज इट वुड मीन दैट यू सडनली हैव एक्स नंबर ऑफ पीपल ऑन अ ग्रुप जहाँ पे इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेंटेन दैट kind of interaction with people if you're just sending emails, right?
So then what kind of WhatsApp groups did we create?
हमने 1-2 बनाए थे. एक न्यूट्रिशन प्लान वाला बनाया था. हमने सोचा था इनिशियली कि हर हफ्ते हम न्यूट्रिशन एक वो रेसिपी भेजेंगे फॉर होममेड फूड.
Got it. And
1-2 हफ्ते बाद मैं भूल गई भेजना. So then I realized कि people didn't really mind. It was okay.
and it was about just exchanging notes on nutrition that was valuable and not necessarily.
Exchanging notes on nutrition I think is what people probably joined for, but eventually we saw that वो हर चीज़ के लिए use हो रहा था कि अच्छा I live in Bombay, do you guys know a groomer nearby, or you know what kind of food do you guys feed. वो तो चलो basic हो गया nutrition के लिए.
Product recommendations.
हाँ मतलब
all
it
that.
started expanding into yeah, but these are dog parents, so I can ask anything. It doesn't have to be only nutrition based.
Got it. So then what all WhatsApp groups did we create? So nutrition
था.
Sundays with Sploot we created then.
Sundays
which was
with we
just
created
another
थोड़ी देर
lifestyle.
बाद. हाँ, but nutrition का था. Then we started actually doing a bunch of these workshops and courses and also. एक तो 4-week type का format था, which was a slightly longer touch thing that we were doing for puppy parents. फिर उसके बाद we used to do a lot of these workshops. Diets for dogs in vegetarian households. You know, how do you optimize that? उसमें हमें दिखते थे 100, 200, 300 लोग register and join in to kind of understand कि हाँ मैं कैसे करूँगी ये, because I know it's a problem. But I also have a lifestyle constraint, which is that I can't cook meat in the house. So how do I do this? So I mean a bunch of those things, and हर उसके लिए फिर हम ग्रुप बनाते थे और फिर वो ग्रुप ही अपने आप ही एक्टिव रहती थी कि आपस में लोग बात कर रहे हैं, शेयर कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ करते हैं.
And since then we saw I think a few other I don't know if there were people before us, but maybe there were these WhatsApp groups run by maybe pet care startups or companies or even non-profits. Maybe there probably were, but after that also we saw many others get created. I think people created their tribe on Facebook that had a lot of members. I think Huff created a WhatsApp group after that. There was a pack. Shobit in Bangalore started doing WhatsApp based communities and then lots of exchange of information. So that I think really got a big lift post that COVID period, as you're saying.
जब हमने फंडिंग उठाई थी तो हमारा गोल क्या था? कम्युनिटी का क्या गोल था?
So community goal.
रोल क्या था? सॉरी.
Role या goal?
रोल.
Community का role was, I think at that point we were thinking of it almost in parallel to the monetization experiments. So it was, let's grow the community as a community. Let's not try and sell them anything to start with. Let's just see where that goes. And the home for the community should be the Sploot app. So that's what our big investment was on. That, and I guess right decision, wrong decision, we don't know. But since then, WhatsApp has created communities on its portal. So the competition sort of is higher. But we thought of community as a standalone space, and can we create that one home for dog parents who want information, all of that, very targeted, very relevant at the right moment, which WhatsApp will never be able to do, even if they focus full time on community. And that's what our big focus was on once we raised funds. And that went pretty well because community grew on WhatsApp, it grew, and through that even on the app it grew.
Hypothesis यही था that because we have a community, our ability to attract customers will be slightly easier.
Yeah, correct.
Because you already have a base of dog parents who know you.
That's the concept of community,
right? So that was what the intended role of community was then. Apart from obviously solving problems for people, वो तो था ही. You can't have a community without doing that. But as a business, how does a community help you? For us, it was that insights वहाँ से आ रही हैं. Those are your first customers. And they also become your advocates, right?
Yeah.
So your word of mouth generation, everything that actually you might get, which you can't put a amount on in terms of कि ये मैंने इतना spend किया तो मुझे इतने customer मिले, XYZ जो भी है, वो सारी चीजें, and then community was kind of helping you achieve.
So then when we started thinking of linking it to business outcomes, at that point there are two big advantages that a community gives. One is acquisition, as you were saying.
Right.
That to acquire a new customer, it costs you. So instead of paying Facebook, Google, or whatever else your acquisition channel is, instead of that, if there are a set of people who are already using your app and there's natural discovery, your cost of acquiring that customer reduces significantly.
Correct.
That's one. Second big advantage is retention. That once your customer starts purchasing something for you, they are attached to you in a stronger way because of that feeling of community. Because you know that the intent of this app is not just कि मेरे को ये service मिलनी है, which some people might join
not
for.
just a booking platform basically.
Correct. But also information that relevant information at the right time is also something I get from.
Also things that you don't necessarily monetize, right? But
Exactly.
मेरे को जरूरत है फिर भी help की है, but it doesn't make sense for a business to do it, or I wouldn't pay for it, right? But those things also kind of get solved with having a community. For example, basically broad goals that we had thought, or roles that we had thought community के होंगे. One would be in terms of acquisition, and second was in terms of engagement and retention.
Correct.
Right? तो जो हमारे
And third, in the long-term brand building perspective.
हाँ correct, right? कि ये brand is not just, they're actually walking the talk in terms of, if they believe in better dog parenting, it's not that everything is just behind a paywall. There's a bunch of things that we do for education, right? And community is an integral part of that as well.
Yeah.
But मैं ये कह रही थी कि अब उस टाइम हमने किया था और हमने ये सब, obviously this was what we had thought of, all of that, right? Now 2 years in, 2 साल हो गए अब पहले वाले फंड से, जब से हमने monetization भी शुरू करी है, and we started testing out whether these things play out. What are things that you think have we've been able to actually say कि हाँ ये चीज है जो actually stands true right now, linked to community and monetization वाला angle?
All three elements stand true. I don't think it stands true necessarily to say, oh wow, you've reached scale, you've touched every pet parent in the country, because that I don't think was the approach of building the community. It was a lot more localized, a lot more Delhi NCR focused. But in Delhi NCR, I think that has definitely played out. There is sort of a like pet parents in Delhi NCR know about Sploot. And I think that has played out. So all of it has played out. Even in terms of acquisition and retention and engagement, it's played out in like there are many examples, and we track those on our mixed panel reports quite closely. People who joined from a community became active users of the community and then started purchasing 3 months later, 6 months later, some cases 1.5 years later as well. And on the other side, even saw engagement and retention, where dog walking specifically, some of the community members took up dog walking as a service, and dog walking, as you know, is operationally heavy. So when something went wrong, some customers really flipped, but people who were community users gave that extra shot कि I know at least इनका intention सही है, एक और chance देके देखते हैं, and that itself was a game changer. So while we anyway talk to other customers who are not part of the community and explain, it's not, obviously, it's natural not to completely believe, right? So community builds that trust to another level. But now these are the positives. What hasn't played out is to suddenly say that, oh, I have a community of 100,000 pet parents. 100,000 pet parents are my customers. Like, I think that play out.
I think we were also quite. I'm just thinking back to how we had also thought of कि हमारे क्या goals होने चाहिए. अब भी पैसे उठाए हैं, अगर community important है, so how do we now use that money to kind of grow? I think we were also naive enough to think that you can scale community by pushing money at it.
Correct. Very true.
For all the positives of community, the one downside is that there is a natural rate of growth, and that natural rate of growth is not necessarily linked to तुम कितने पैसे दिखा के लोगों को बता रहे हो community के बारे में. The strongest communities, at least this has been my understanding, the strongest communities are actually the ones that are built organically by literally doing जो आपके basics हैं. For example, for us, our basics are every weekend we do educational online events with an expert, and we do free walks, बोलो मतलब walking tour type का concept, but we basically taken that and said let's do a community walk with our dogs, and there are a bunch of really amazing dog friendly parks in and around Delhi NCR, so we basically go to a different park every Sunday and then we do those. So those are our rituals.
So
right? So अब वो कर करके actually जो आपकी community बनती है, even though it is slower, that the quality of that is very different from when we had that phase in the middle where we thought कि अच्छा अभी 20,000 लोग हैं, let's show ads and get 100,000 downloads. because a download is not the same as somebody emotionally being connected to you
Correct.
and making that effort to, you know, I want to be a part of this community, or this community solves something for me or will solve something for me in the future, and therefore I want to be a part of it. So that's something that we also learned as well, that it is a source of acquisition for sure, but it is a source of, I don't know how to qualify it, but maybe something like meaningful acquisition, that you're acquiring somebody slower, but because you're putting in that kind of effort, that is why they are more likely to become a customer. Not because you just have something which you are calling a community, or tum groups join kar lo aur wo sab kar lo, and then, you know, they will translate into customers. That the higher
Correct. So-
likeliness is because of the effort, because of the slow building.
But the funds can increase the tentpole events that become, all of that can,
Correct.
become faster. So and you can reach a wider set in a shorter amount of time. That
100%.
trust cannot be, just putting money cannot solve for trust overnight. Like that is the realization.
I mean, if I have to phrase it better, the money is better spent.
No, it was phrased very nicely.
The money is better spent in increasing the value that you're providing. And when you increase value, people will automatically come in. You don't need to spend marketing money on acquisition के लिए ads. अगर तुम value दे रहे हो, अपने आप लोग खींच के लोगों को लाएंगे. Even if you spend, say, a fraction of what you usually would for that.
So then coming to, these are all the things that learnings and positives. Moving ahead, how do you see, like, do you have 30 seconds on
Moving ahead,
how do we plan to what do we plan to add? Do we plan to change anything? Kya
so
hoga?
much. This is honestly, for me, this is also something that is my personal, like, agenda for what I want to do with Sploot as well, because I feel like everything else I know we will figure out. It is a matter of time. Okay, there are other people who build service businesses, there are other people who build product businesses. There's enough for us to learn, right? जो community वाली चीज़ है, for me is like one of those challenges that occupy my brain. कि how do you do this the right way, deliver value to people, and also it has to make sense for the business, right? So मेरे हिसाब से there's a bunch of things that we can do and we are already in the works of doing. One is push the education agenda. I just think that हमारा number one problem in India is कि हमें पता ही नहीं है कि करना क्या है. There is such low awareness around what are the simple things we should be doing for our dogs, and honestly it is not complicated. मेरे को लगता था initially कि बहुत complicated है और therefore बहुत आगे पीछे बात करेंगे लोग और वो सब करेंगे, but I've realized that a lot of these things are very very simple. It's just that we've never been explained these things in a way that we can understand better, right? It's the same as तुम्हें अगर कोई मैथ्स पढ़ा रहा है और तुम्हें नहीं चमका तो फिर तुम्हें नहीं समझ आएगा जब तक कोई एक्चुअली उस वे में समझाए जो तुम्हें समझ आएगा. So I've realized with dog parenting as well, a lot of it is just how can you explain the basics in a way that are received well. So one is that मुझे लगता है कि there's a lot of things that we can do, and there's a bunch of things that are coming out hopefully in the next few weeks, which will help us push more of our learning wala agenda. That we're actually redoing our entire learn wala feature on the app, and we're adding things like courses, rewards for people who are consistent with learning, who are practicing things like training, who ensure
This is Garima being inspired by Duolingo. 300-day streak she has.
शाटती हूँ नहीं 150 something है.
Only 150 days of
But that's
daily.
insane. 150 days of consistently opening that app to do something that I want to do.
So Duolingo, you've got an animal as your icon on your app. You are going to see a challenger coming out very soon.
It's not a challenger at all.
It is a challenger because
No, it's somebody who's inspired.
an inspired challenger coming
Challenger
very soon.
कैसे हम language थोड़ी ना सिखा रहे हैं.
तो म्यूजिक सिखाते हैं वो, मैथ सिखाते हैं
तो हम कौन
so
सा
they're going to
सिखा
start teaching pet parenting, but before they do it, we're going to do it,
Okay, cool.
and then we'll partner with them because we love them, and we'll allow them to
आगे बढ़े.
argue with.
But anyway, I think there's a lot we can do for learning, and
So that's
again
upcoming.
bringing in the community वाला angle into it, right? Because I think India में हमारा वो भी है थोड़ा सा कि अगर साथ में doubts नहीं पूछे या अच्छा उसने इतना किया है तो अब मैं भी इतना करूँ, हमारा वो थोड़ा naturally competitive वाला जो trait है, I think in Indians that.
And then we've done small experiments of like इस learning courses का offline कुछ event कर लो, which also has seen a good response if
Yeah.
you're able to curate that group well. So it's actually quite exciting. Lots of things coming up, but one point I think you kind of mentioned in the middle is that realizing that इससे business outcomes, which is essentially revenue growth and being able to carve out a margin, that is not immediately like massively impacted with community. So it's a long game. So what we've done as a strategy is blocked out a certain chunk of funds to say कि इसमें हर महीने हम इतना block करेंगे कि we are adding to it every month with a very small budget. But it's not something that we are now expecting कि overnight becomes like a whoa wild. There will be a point where I think because of all this tweaks, experiment is that there will come a time where that spike is much faster than the current spike, where you suddenly launch multi-city, where you suddenly launch certain more initiatives that we've been talking about that we cannot reveal. But if you keep watching, we might reveal. This is a tactic I've been seeing YouTube vloggers do, so I have now added that. If you keep following, you will find out in 3 months. Wow. Anyway, क्या बोल रही थी बोल.
मैं कह रही थी that the one thing that we know for sure and you can actually measure is that people who are involved in our community side of things and मतलब actually sending messages, being part of groups, attending events, there is a higher chance of them being a customer. Right, because we were measuring monthly transacting users overall, and then as a subset of people who are engaged in community, and that is 2x of what the normal is. So हमें पता है कि वो we've actually now got that confirmation that community helps.
Correct.
Right. Of course, it cannot be only community, of course, because we're also playing the VC game. So you have to have your business streams growing independently of community as well. But I think in a long enough time frame, because this is also not something which is like एक महीने में तुम community बना लो या एक साल में भी बना लो या 5 साल में भी बना लो. It will take time for us to get there, but I think that confirmation that community helps is definitely there. अब हम पहुंच गए हैं office and Chirachu, why are you growling? हाँ? Why are you growling? I think she sees another doggo. Arnav, can you take over?
No, I think that's all we have for today. On the community side, we can dive deeper on each of the sub points that we discussed. But for today, I think this was fun. This was quite knowledgeable for us to recap for ourselves.
But there is another thing I want to shoot in the day.
Yeah.